Alright, let's dive into the secrets of achieving long hair fast in 2024. Are you ready to unlock the key to rapid hair growth? Stay tuned to discover the ultimate guide to getting the long hair you've always dreamed of. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of hair growth and sharing expert tips on how to get long hair fast. In 2024, long hair has always been a symbol of beauty and elegance, and we understand the desire to achieve those luscious locks. Have you ever struggled with the frustration of slow hair growth? Many of us face challenges when trying to grow our hair out quickly, from dealing with breakage and split ends to waiting endlessly for inches to appear. The journey to long hair can be a tough one, but fear not, we're here to help you overcome these obstacles. Let's talk about the science behind hair growth and explore proven methods to accelerate the process. From incorporating essential vitamins and nutrients into your diet to using specialized hair care products, there are plenty of strategies to boost your hair growth rate. Get ready to take your hair game to the next level. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The most effective technique for achieving rapid hair growth. We're about to unveil the holy grail product that will supercharge your hair growth journey. Get ready to witness a transformation like never before. As we wrap up, let's recap the key strategies we've discussed today. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to growing long hair fast. By following these tips and techniques, you're one step closer to achieving your long hair goals. Don't give up. You've got this. Now, it's your turn to take action. We encourage you to try out the techniques we've shared and share your progress with us in the comments below. Together, we can support each other on this hair growth journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more hair care tips and tricks. Cheers to long, healthy hair in 2024.